Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is an small awareness video on how to install a 3 kilowatt solar power plant to our home. You can see here the solar panels are bought from the vehicle, and we are loading these solar panels of Tata 590-watt panel to the ground floor to the first floor. Okay, so this is how we should be very careful in transporting the panels from ground floor to the top floor. Okay, so now you can see here the workers were working there to move the panels from the ground floor to the top floor. Okay, so this is what you have to observe very carefully while you are lifting and transporting the panels from ground floor to the first floor. So after transporting the problems, in this video, we'll have a full awareness how to install and how to start commissioning of the panels. So after transporting the panels, here you have to see here. So we should have the pre hot dipped galvanized iron structure, and you have to do the drilling for this, and you have to install the solar panels. So here, this 3 kilowatt solar plant is having 6 number of panels, and the structure of height of 6 feet and 5 feet is arranged, and we have to make the drilling like this. After making the drilling, we have to insert the waterproofing sealant solution. Here you can see here the bolts are inserted, and this green colored one is nothing but the waterproof sealant solution, which is a leak proof solution. So after complete inserting this leak proof solution, we should tighten the bolts. Okay, so and now here you can see here the solar panel structure of 3 kilowatt has been installed, and this is nothing but the lightning arrestor, which should be an separately made and should be directly connected to the earthing. Okay, so this lightning arrestor, you should be very clear how it should be installed, and it should not be combined with the power line directly. It should be installed to the separate grounding. Okay, and now let us try to see the next section after panels. Okay, coming to here you can see here. So here we have been installed DC distribution box as well as the inverter. This is called DC distribution box. And next one you can see here, we are going to have SPD, and this is nothing but a grid connected inverter. This is nothing but AC distribution box. After completing this, we have to cut the 4 square solar cable, and you should connect this to the MC4 connectors. So you can see here how the technicians are doing the design of MC4 connectors. Okay, so you should clamp like this, and you should enter the female leg into it. Okay, and just tight it with your hand and just insert here. Here you can see how the wiring is done. So here we are going to have an fuse, HRC fuse, and then SPD, and then earthing, and it is connected to the inverter. And output of the inverter, we are going to connect to an AC-DB box, alternating current DC box, and all the wires DC earthing should be made separate, as well as AC earthing should be. You can see here, this is a DC earthing we had made separately, and this is nothing but AC earthing, and we are going to separately connect a wire from the top of the panel to the lightning arrestor. Okay, so here you can see here the structure what here connected. I already told here, so separate wire has to be taken from the lightning arrestor. Here you can see the technicians are working a separate wire which protects us from the thunders, which doesn't enter into our solar panel. So like this, you have to run the three things. We have been shown you in the diagram. This is separately the lightning arrestor is taken out. And see here, after connecting all this, the connections of ACDB box, the output of the ACDB box, we are going to connect to an contractor, and after from the contractor, we are going to connect to the meter output. So this is how we should do the outside the diagram connections. So after connecting the output of the inverter, which is an AC supply, directly connect the output of the AC supply to an additional contractor, which is used to isolate the supply. Here you can see here, this is an contractor with an isolator. So this contractor will isolate the supply whenever the supply is off. Okay, and here we are going to connect to the output of the meter. And here you can see here we are separately connected DC earthing as well as AC earthing, and separately the starting of the video we have been mentioned we are going to connect to an lightning arrestor earthing. Thank you for watching.